Are you looking for the best swing sets? In this video we will look at some of the best swing sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Trekassy Swing Set. You'll be hard-pressed to find a better value than the Trekassy Swing Set, which features both a belt swing and saucer swing for your children to play on. This swing set is on the smaller size, measuring 90.5 inches long and 67 inches wide, but it can still support up to 440 pounds thanks to its heavy-duty weather-resistant steel frame. The saucer swing on this set is 32 inches in diameter, making it ideal for 1 or 2 young children, and you can adjust its height so your little ones can climb on more easily. The belt swing is made from durable plastic and features plastic-coated chains for safety. Either swing can be taken off and replaced with other standard-sized playground accessories, such as a baby carrier swing or hanging chair. At number 2. Costzon Toddler Climber and Swing Set. Kids ages 2 and up will love this bright and colorful 4-in-1 playset, including a smooth slide, a swing that toddlers strap into, and an elephant trunk that doubles as a ring toss. There are no sharp edges for little ones to knock into, and the swing can accommodate up to 66 pounds. Users noted that the swing set was easy to set up. The lightweight material and relatively small sizes make it easy to enjoy this set outdoors or indoors in a living room or small yard. At number 3. Backyard Discovery Skyfort 2 Residential Wood Playset. Your kids will have the time of their lives playing on the elaborate Backyard Discovery Skyfort 2, which is so much more than your average swing set. This set features a spacious elevated clubhouse with a ladder, rock climbing wall, and slide, as well as a set of monkey bars, 3-position swing beam, built-in picnic table, crow's nest, and even a sandbox. No matter how your children like to play, the Skyfort has it covered. This high-end swing set is crafted from durable cedar wood, and it requires a large yard for installation, measuring close to 22 feet long and 17 feet wide. It requires quite a bit of assembly, but its many features allow several children of various ages to play at once. At number 4. Lifetime Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set with 9-foot Wavy Slide. Metal swing sets are typically low maintenance and extremely durable, and the Lifetime Monkey Bar Adventure Swing Set offers children several ways to play thanks to its complex design. It is built from powder-coated galvanized steel and weather-resistant polyethylene, and includes 3 belt swings, a trapeze bar with gym rings, set of monkey bars, fireman's pole, and a 9-foot Wavy slide. As you can probably imagine, this complex swing set takes up quite a bit of room, measuring just under 14 feet wide and 19 feet long. It can accommodate up to 6 occupants at a time, supporting 600 pounds, and it has a number of convenient safety features, such as plastic caps on the edges and rubber grips on the swing chains. At number 5. ALEKO Child Swing. For those with small yards, the ALEKO Child Swing is a simple, compact, and affordable option, as it's only 55 x 55 inches. The metal frame supports 1 plastic swing seat held up by ropes, and it's recommended for kids ages 3 to 8, as it has a 99-pound weight limit. The ALEKO Child Swing is made from steel and features a non-slip seat for safety, and you can even adjust the height of the seat to suit your child's needs. The overall design is quite simple, but it's also budget-friendly and easy to assemble. At number 6. Gorilla Playsets Outing Wood Swing Set. As you kids get older, they'll appreciate the versatility of the Gorilla Playsets Outing Wood Swing Set, which includes fun features like a rock climbing wall, elevated play deck, and sandbox. The wooden set has 2 swings and a trapeze bar that are connected to the playhouse, and it's recommended for kids up to age 11. The set can support up to 800 pounds. This swing set is 12.5 feet long and 15 feet wide, and it's made from durable wooden beams that are pre-drilled to make assembly faster. It's outfitted with a steering wheel and telescope to encourage kids to use their imaginations, and the play deck is covered with a vinyl canopy to protect them from the sun on summer days.